हाय फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको JavaScript MCQ एंड इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड हजारों क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगा जो आपको जॉब्स के लिए एंड रियल लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम आएंगे। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नॉलेज रेजर। माय नेम इज रनित कुशवाहा एंड आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल वेब डेवलपर। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हुए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत। Question number 1.
A linkage of series of prototype object is called as dash. A. Prototype stack, B. Prototype chain, C. Prototype class, D. Prototypes. Answer होगा B. Prototype chain.
Next question number 2.
To determine whether one object is a prototype of another object, one should use the dash. A is prototype of method, B equals method, C triple equal method, D double equal operator. Answer होगा A is prototype of method.
Next question number 3.
The purpose of extensible attribute is to dash. A. Make all of the own properties of that object non-configurable. B. To configure and bring a writable property. C. Lock down objects into a non-state and prevent outside tampering. D. To include new properties into the object. Answer होगा C. Lock down objects into a non-state and prevent outside tampering.
Next question number 4.
The basic purpose of the two local string is to dash. A. Return a localized object representation. B. Return a phrased string. C. Return a local time in the string format. D. Return a localized string representation of the object. Answer होगा D. Return a localized string representation of the object.
Next question number 5.
The pop method of the array does which of the following tasks? A. Decrements the total length by 1. B. Increments the total length by 1. C. Prints the first element but no effect on the length. D. Updates the elements. Answer होगा A. Decrements the total length by 1.
Next question number 6.
What will happen if reverse and join method are used simultaneously? A. Reverse and stores in the same array. B. Reverse and concatenates the elements of the array. C. Reverses. D. Store the elements of an array in normal order. Answer होगा A. Reverse and store in the same array.
Next question number 7.
The primary purpose of the array map function is that it A. Maps the elements of another array into itself. B. Passes each element of the array and returns the necessary mapped elements. C. Passes each element of the array on which it is invoked to the function you specify and returns an array containing the values returned by that function. D. Pass the elements of the array into another array. Answer होगा C. Passes each element of the array on which it is invoked to the function you specify and returns an array containing the values returned by the function.
Next question number 8.
The reduce and reduce write method follow a common operation called A. Filter and fold. B. Inject and fold. C. Finger and fold. D. Fold. Answer होगा B. Inject and fold.
Next question number 9.
The method or operator used to identify the array is A. Is array type. B. Double equal. C. Triple equal. D. Type of. Answer होगा C. D. Type of.
Next question number 10.
The function definition in JavaScript begins with dash. A. Identifiers and parentheses. B. Return type and identifiers. C. Return type function keyword and identifier and parentheses. D. Identifier and return type. Answer होगा C. Return type function keyword identifier and parentheses.
सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं और हमारी कमियों को कमेंट के माध्यम से जरूर बताएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।